In this video, let's talk about the wheel spacer manufacturer, BONOSS. Let's go. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be complete 1 to 3 days at the farthest. Besides, BONOSS provides OEM/ODM too. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy. In contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry's safety and professional standards. If you need wheel spacers with special thickness or ball pattern conversion to install the wheels with different data, BONOSS Customer Spacer is your best choice. BONOSS provides customized service of special thickness, 3mm to 116mm. Welcome to subscribe our new channel, BONOSS Wheel Fitment. Thanks for watching and have a great day!